Hi, friends. Can we honestly talk here for 1 second? A lot of people want to buy a house, but they actually feel completely stuck. They are actually thinking, I don't make enough money, my credit score is not ready, I need 20% for down payment, mortgage rates are too high, I will just wait until next year. And look, sometimes waiting is the right move, but sometimes people are not waiting because of the fact that they have a strategy. They simply waiting because nobody gave them a simple roadmap. So today I want to walk you through 7 small and simple money moves that can actually make a renter start acting like a future homeowner for real. Obviously, this doesn't happen overnight. And there is not a magic pill to swallow on this video, but actually there is, and I will provide you with a step-by-step simple guidance on how to get what you want. Because sometimes your life changes actually when your thoughts change. And this certainly can happen after you tune in and get the proper useful information. So after watching this video, my hope is that you will stop saying simple things like I'm just renting again and start saying things like I'm preparing to buy my new home, or thanks to Mike, I have a strategy or a plan to become a homeowner one day. Before we continue, if you are a current subscriber or a client, thanks for being in here. If we haven't met yet, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mike Najem. I'm a realtor, a loan officer, and a tax preparer here in Orlando, Florida. Every day, I help people and families in Florida with their real estate decisions, explore mortgage options, and tax preparation, planning, and filing. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel on this video so you can get valuable information on these topics and help others get the same. So here we go. Let's start with step number one. Honestly, I recommend that you create a specific separate savings account in your favorite bank or credit union. It doesn't matter, but name it your new home account. This is not a regular savings account. This account is specifically to start saving money towards the purchase of your new home. Because once a goal has a name, your brain starts treating it differently. Every time you get paid, you want to transfer some money to this account. $20, $50, $100, the amount doesn't really matter. What matters here is creating the habit of saving money towards your goal. In this case, obviously buying a new home for you, your family, or your pets, because the goal is not just saving money again. The goal here is to become the kind of person that plans ahead and takes action toward a better future in your life. Step number two, check your credit card usage. This one is huge. Many people think that credit is only about paying on time. And yes, paying on time matters, but credit utilization matters too. If your credit card limit is $1,000 and you owe $900, that can hurt you, even if you're making the payments on time. A simple goal is to try to stay under 30% of your credit card limit. So, for example, on a $1,000 credit card, try to use $300 or less, or keep it lower. This is not about being perfect, it's about understanding the rules of the game. So, using 30% or less of the available credit and making payments on time will tell agencies how well you're managing your personal finances, and your credit score will typically get higher and better with time. Step number three, do not finance random things before trying to buy a house. Hear me out on this one. Car payments, furniture payments, large phone bills, store credit cards, buy now, pay later accounts. All of these payments might feel small on your monthly budget, but they can actually quietly reduce the amount of how much mortgage you can borrow towards the purchase of your new home. Sometimes people don't realize about this until they are ready trying to get pre-approved. So before you take on a new monthly payment, always ask yourself, will this help my financial future or will this hurt me later on? That question alone can save you from mistakes and increase the amount of money and how much you can borrow on the mortgage to purchase your new home. Step number 4, stop searching for homes online only by the price. Most buyers search homes for sale under 400,000, but smart buyers take a step further. They compare the monthly payments because the real monthly payment might include principal, interest, taxes, insurance, HOA, CDD fees, maintenance, commute, and lifestyle. And this is especially true here in Florida, where cheaper house is not always a cheaper monthly payment. Insurance and HOA can completely change the numbers. So the better question is, what monthly payments help me sleep peacefully at night? That matters. Step number 5, get oriented before you get ready. A lot of people think I will talk to someone once I fix everything. But actually, sometimes you don't know exactly what to fix until somebody reviews the full picture for you. Maybe your credit is closer than you think. Maybe your income is okay. Maybe your debt is the issue. Or maybe you need more savings. Maybe you need time. Or maybe there are first time homebuyer programs, FHA loan, down payment assistance options, or seller concession strategies you didn't know they existed. The point is not to rush, the point is to stop guessing. Step number 6, think about your future life, not just about the house. Before buying, ask how far is the workplace that I'm commuting from and to on a daily basis? How is the traffic? What happens if the insurance increases? Do I need a yard? Do I really want that pool? Or would I rather to have a smaller house but more freedom? The best house is not always the prettiest house. The best house is the house that helps you build a better life. Step number 7, stay hopeful. I know buying a house feels harder today. I know prices, mortgage rates, insurance, and rent can feel overwhelming. But I have seen people completely change their situation simply by taking small steps consistently. They started saving, they lowered their debt, they protected their credit, they asked questions, they made a plan, and little by little, they became ready. So if you're renting right now and you are feeling behind, you're not hopeless. You just need a roadmap. So let me ask you, what's your biggest obstacle right now? Down payment, the credit score, the monthly payment, the mortgage rates, or not knowing where to start? Comment home if you want me to send you a simple home buyer preparation checklist. And if you know someone who needs help with real estate here in Florida, mortgage options, tax preparation, or moving to Florida, or looking for an investment property, feel free to message me anytime. Thanks for watching this video, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Have a blessed day.